Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to change that. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day, please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. But your word of the day is a manifestation of light, a new gift. You're creating something new, or you're broadening your gift that you have already. You're making it bigger. You've added a new link. You added a new layer, something that's going to sustain it and foundation to make your original gift that much better. I see the beauty within me, and you're growing, and you're actually showing that. You're actually taking hold of the beauty within you, and you're acknowledging it. Once you acknowledge it, it shows on the outside, and your willingness to grow. I grow and I develop my inner self in harmony with the light and beauty. You learn to love yourself, and you learn to work with what you've been able to develop. And I free myself from negativity. There's no negativity when you're winning, when you're manifesting. We have great things. My heart transforms because so many people are looking for your service. Lead with love. There's no weapon formed against you that can stop love. Your biggest adversary will cave in, and they'll actually help you succeed. My intellect shines because you're a genius, and my inner light grows. Are you ready for blessings? Blessings carry their own weight. Continue to grow, because as you grow stronger. More blessings can come your way, and it'll feel like a feather, not a ball and chain. So rain, sleet, or snow, you'll be able to enjoy your life. You will not be ever in survival mode. You'll just be in living, enjoying life mode. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.